everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So what do we do in Tesla today? Open pretty flat. Quickly, this is the normal hours. The normal hours traded down to, we found support just below our 187 level, 186.22. I can also put up the extended data, which you can see we have this major support area, and I'll show you where that comes from. Let's see, I gotta switch to weekly. Remember we talked about the end of the clear path. We zoom way in here. So here was the end of our clear path right there. And so that's where we were looking at the end of this long rundown move, and we spiked down to that key level today. So that is taken care of with the end of the clear path. Let me remove that. And let's switch back to the daily chart and see what's going on now. Let me adjust this so everybody can see. All right. So I'm just going back to, we'll just leave it on the extended trading hours, and we're going to also update the retracements. Not that one. Actually, it is that one. Sorry about that. So right now, based off the daily time frame, key resistance coming in about 202 based off a 25% retracement. I'd really be watching about the 205 level. That's going to be very key for us. We still have this unfilled gap. You could even start filling this gap and come up to the daily rotation zone. So on any bullish case, by the way, it looks like it rallied today because leaked email from Elon talking about 50,000 orders or something. I don't remember the exact wording, but he can't really tweet anymore. So now we had a leaked email. Hold on, that level is off. There we go. Yep, that level is off. So 200 is the key level based on 25% retracement, and then 205. Those are the key levels on any rally. To get above 205, you can start watching for the gap fill. That'd be a pretty big move tomorrow. And the gap fill, the rotation zone, all coming in the same cluster. So we have a major cluster right there. So on any rally, that's the level you'll be watching. What I'm going to do now, since we did hit pretty close to those lows, I'm going to move all this down just to get an idea of what we're looking at for the next levels. So the next levels we'll be watching is about 172.30, then 162.73. We'll also update everything based off the weekly wrap up. Looks like the RSI is now finally moving up a bit because we're getting some traction. And we finally had a nice green close today for the bulls who are trying to bottom pick. You can even go down and look at a 4-hour chart and see what that's looking like. So here's our 4-hour chart. Nice clear divergence. So much lower low in the price action, higher low in the RSI. So that's a slightly bullish little divergent signal. And the top of the rotation zone on the 4 hours coming in at 203. Again, I'd really focus on that 205 level. That's the one we'd be watching for. That's about it. We'll do a weekly wrap up tomorrow and hope everyone has a great night. And we'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.